Okay, let's see if we can do this. It says a demonstration of making a green smoothie and adding Young Living products to it. So we have organic power greens, and I always put in the lighter things first. So here's the greens, just a handful, throw them in there. This is a Vitamix container. And then I have bananas that are already frozen and cut in half, so I throw one of those in. This is organic triple berry blend from Meyer. This is going to be the tricky part. So, I don't know, a little bit, maybe half, 3/4 of a cup, I don't know. Then sulfur zyme, and I put in a half a teaspoon. So that goes in. I don't usually have all these things opened on my counter. I just open them for speed of the, then turmeric. This is a, the spoon says just a pinch. So it's maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. Inner Beauty collagen, 1 scoop. Ninja greens, 1 scoop. This says ICP Daily on it, but I think it's now called probiotic, prebiotic fiber, or daily fiber, or something like that. And amino wise, and a scoop of that. Can's starting to get down there. Okay, and I like to put in, I don't have any of the Young Living protein powders now, so I like to put in a scoop of hemp seeds. Sorry about the jiggling. So I saved a scoop from one of those things, and so I put a scoop of hemp seeds in. Oh, and I forgot the Inner Boost and Balance. That's a new product that's going to be out soon. It comes in a packet. And we're going to put that like that so I can open the packet. So there's the packet. That goes in. And then you put in water. So I put in, I don't know, 1 inch or 2 in the bottom. And then blend it up. And I'm not going to make you listen to the sound of the blender. So I'm going to pause you for a second. And there it is, all blended up. This is a Vitamix. So it can blend frozen things, nuts, all kinds of things. And then I use a quart jar because it's the easiest. And if you get a wide mouth quart jar, and you're traveling, you can get a lid like this and put it on the wide mouth. This happens to be a narrow mouth, but I have a lot of wide mouth too. And then just stick a straw in it, and you have got a total meal for breakfast.